Hi there, today we're unboxing a V1 outdoor speaker. So this is a waterproof speaker, can be used in the shower for instance, so if you want to listen to music. Very nice compact speaker, that's what sort of attracted me to it. Let's have a quick look around the packaging. Very nice sort of glossy packaging on there. Some details about this one. Just give you a close-up. And there's some different color options. Okay, let's have a look inside the packaging. See what you get. So the speaker, very light. First of all, that's what I noticed straight away. Outdoor speaker manual. And we've got a suction pad that comes with it. Oh. Got a USB charge cable and a clip as well. That's good. So the manual itself, combination of English and Chinese. Same on the other side. Comes with a 1-year warranty as well. Okay. The clip. It's okay. No major weight to it. Cheapo, to be honest. The actual USB cable. Quality seems okay. Nothing too bad. Yeah. Reasonable. And the speaker, it comes with a suction pad. I guess that just sticks onto the back. Oh wow, okay. Suction's pretty good. Pull that off. Let's give you a close-up of the speaker. It's very nice and compact. Let me see if I can grab a ruler just to give you an idea how big it is. So if I go from the top downwards, you're saying about just over 9 centimeters in diameter. A nice rubbery sort of seal all the way around. Even the buttons are covered up nicely, and it looks like it even has a microphone on there as well, so you can take it calls on this. Say you're in the shower, listen to music and a call comes in, you'll be able to answer that on this. So first of all, volume up, down, you've got play, pause, you've got Bluetooth button there, and you've got power button. And then, yeah, you've got a cover for mini SD card and a charging point. So nice, compact, small speaker. Let's give it a go, see what it's like. So first of all, let's power it on. Okay, bit dramatic. Let me get my phone and we'll give it a quick scan. See if it picks it up. There you go. V1C. Try pairing it. Excellent, very quickly paired there. Always easy with these things. Let me quickly pick a video with some music in there, and let's see what the quality is like. So paired quite easily. Now let's test out some music from one of my videos, just a royalty-free video. So this is while it's charging. Got a lot of static coming through. Let me unplug that. Maximum volume. Make sure this is on max as well. Yep. Not too bad. Obviously you've got a little indicator there that it's on and powered. Must be in the process of dying, the battery. Let me just quickly plug that back in. Not bad. Sound quality is not bad for such a tiny speaker. Nothing amazing. Obviously you're not going to get no heavy amounts of bass or anything out of this sort of thing, but it's sufficient. So nice. I'm impressed for such a tiny speaker. So looking at it and looking at the instructions briefly, you can just hook this on and you can just hook it. So when you're in a shower, for instance, you can hook it onto something, or like I've shown already, you could literally just use a suction pad like so. Stick it on here just to show again. There you go. Really nice speaker. So there you go. I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. It's a good speaker. No real qualms about this one. Nice compact light speaker. Should stick quite easily onto a tile, for instance. I wouldn't want to put it too high up. I guess if it's hooked on, I'd feel a bit safer. You never know, it could just slip down and hit something. I guess because it's not too heavy, damage wouldn't be too bad, but I wouldn't want to put it high up where it will fall and damage something. But there you go. Really nice speaker. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing it. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.